Hi, I'm Jennifer. I help people turn their love of travel into a successful career, going from overwhelmed and confused about how to get started in travel to confident and excited, traveling the world and helping others plan one-of-a-kind trips, making money doing what they love. I know you're probably hesitant to go commission only. You're overwhelmed because you've been watching a whole lot of free videos and doing a lot of research and getting all kinds of strategies and tactics sent to you. But you're not experiencing any progress because you don't have a step-by-step how to do it and what to do next. So you're not doing anything. You're confused, like, where do I get started? How can I even do this? How will I get clients? I haven't traveled enough. You're thinking, but you're not doing. So where we want to get you is excited to finally be paid what you're worth with the ability to earn six figures and beyond. You'll have a clear formula for success, a success path that when followed step by step will lead to quick wins and accomplishments. A path that is simple to follow and provides a shortcut for you. You know, I often hear, I wasted so much time. Everything I needed is right here, all bundled together neatly in the travel lab. I accomplished so much in such a short amount of time and have everything I need. So don't waste another minute. Step on in, the water is warm. Can you even do this, you're wondering? Absolutely you can do this, and here are a few key points to consider when thinking about it. Passion and knowledge. If you love travel, which is probably why you're here, or you enjoy helping others plan their trips, you're already on the right track. Your passion will drive you to learn more about destinations, travel trends, and customer preferences. And you have the Travel Lab to set you up for success from the very beginning with marketing and sales and passenger service, airline processes and procedures, behind the scenes of the hotels and car rentals, and there are many resources available for continuing education that will help you while you're consulting with your guests to ask the right questions about specific destinations, and you'll have access to preferred suppliers who are specialists in the destination, eager to help you help your clients. You'll have networking and experienced agents that can provide valuable insights, mentorship, and potential job opportunities. And with dedication, you can carve out your niche and the sky's the limit. Listen, people can mow their own lawn or give themselves a mani-pedi, but they pay someone else to do it. They can get their own groceries, but they pay someone to shop for or deliver them. People can clean their own home, but they pay a housekeeper to do it. And people can cook their own dinner, but they eat out. People are coming to you for a service that they either don't want to do, don't have time for, or may otherwise not get to go. Or they just think that this will ensure it's done right by asking you to do it. So help them out. Looking through your social media, how many people do you know that love to travel? You see them traveling and think they would give you the opportunity to help them. Having traveled extensively is a luxury, right? If you have a ton of travel under your belt, you're ahead of the game and already have a ton of knowledge to share. But if you haven't, but you know that travel is a priority in your life and you think that working in the travel industry will help you achieve it, then you're right. If you've been thinking about becoming a travel agent, ask anyone in the travel industry. There is no better time than now to be a professional travel planner. This is your sign. So join us in the Travel Lab to instantly build your confidence and get clear on the outcome. We start with taking you through a day in the life of a travel agent, how to get clients, all the way through the planning, customizing, and client journey so that when you graduate the Travel Lab, you're ready to hit the ground running. No more homework or wondering where to turn next. You're going to be so excited your family will hardly recognize you. The travel agent reduced rates and free trips will be coming in so quickly you can't take advantage of all of them. Suddenly, no more thinking about it, you're doing it. We invite you to join us in the Travel Lab, and we're here to support you all the way along your journey. We can't wait to see you in the lab.